Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students of second secondary, we are going to complete our revision for chapter 2. We stopped at question 15. In the equation, x naught and energy plus energy will giving x plus electron removes. So if we are in oxidation state 0 and we make increase in the oxidation number, so we giving energy or absorbed energy, large amount of energy, to reaches from 0 to 1 or from 1 to 2 or from 2 to 3. So by increasing the oxidation number, we have amount of energy absorbed increases. So the absorbed energy more than the energy of level Q. Okay, let's go into question number 16. Here we have the difference between question number 16, the difference between the two values of the first and second ionization energy is very large in case of atoms of element what? Okay, if we are going to discuss each of them, let's go into the periodic table. We have here neon, and also we have magnesium, aluminium, and potassium. So here we have neon inert gas or inactive element, so we are not going to deal with it as all, or it will take a lot of energy in the first ionization energy. We want to increase in the second, not in the first ionization energy. We have the second one here, magnesium 12. Magnesium 12 lose 1 and 2 electrons, as there is no increase in the ionization energy, as the energy level has 2 electrons. Okay, another one, aluminium 3. Aluminium 3 has 3 electrons, and there is no increase in the ionization energy. First, second, and third ionization energy are equal, as the electrons present in the same energy level. But when we are talking about potassium here in group 1A, as it contains 1 electron in the outermost energy level. We have here potassium contain what? Contain 4, or present in period 4s1. Okay, it will lose the electron easily, so the ionization energy will be small amount. By increasing, or by we want to remove what? We wanted to remove electrons, as we resemble to argon inert gas. So we want to remove electrons from the B orbital, as it is completely filled or saturated. What happened to remove 1 electron from it? The first ionization energy will be small amount, but when we want to remove electron from B orbital from the previous orbital, that in the potassium, that we lose or take large amount of energy, so the second ionization energy will be greater than the first ionization energy. Okay, so the right answer here will be potassium 19. Okay, we are going to question number 17. In the third period, on moving from sodium to argon. Okay, what happened when we moving from sodium to argon? Okay, what will increase? We want to go to the periodic table and look at it. What happened when we go from sodium here to argon? Okay, they are in the same period 3. We are in the same period. Okay, what happened to, we want increases in, okay, as we go from left to right, the atomic number increase. It is the period as whole, or the main character for periodic table. According to it, or with it, what increases? The electronegativity, as increases in the number of electrons, so the electronegativity increases as attraction force increases, and the atom contain more number of electrons surrounding it. So by increasing atomic number here, the electronegativity increasing, and opposite to it, what will decrease? Atomic radius or atomic size will decreases. I think periodic trends very important to be make some connection between them to not forget the relation. So the right answer will be here, number B. Atomic number and electronegativity will be increasing, so it is number 17. We are going to question number 18. Which of the following ions has larger radius? Okay, we wanted to know which of the following have larger radius. Let's going to make attention that we have ions, not atoms. We are going to talk about ions, not atoms. Iron, fluorine negative, that radius that lose one electron and lose one energy level. Sodium Na, when you are looking at table, fluorine here have 2 energy levels as it present in period 2. So we have here iron, fluorine F negative, so it gain 1 electron. So it gain 1 electron here. Okay, this is the first one. We have in the second one we have Na plus. So by increasing here in fluorine negative, so increase electrons in the same energy level. By increasing the electrons in non-metals, the atomic radius will decrease, not increases, and the electronegativity increases as fluorine has high electronegativity equal 4. Na plus loses 1 electron from the outermost energy level, and we have complete shell that remove, so we have 2 energy levels only. O negative 2, we have to look at it. O negative 2, O oxygen gain 2 electrons, so its atomic size will decrease more than the decrease, but not more than fluorine. So here we have atomic size of fluorine smaller than the atomic size of oxygen. If you are going to complete magnesium Mg plus 2. Okay, if you are going to make this one, here we have magnesium plus 2 and sodium plus 1. They are having the same atomic radius as they lose, each one loses electron and have 2 energy levels. But here we have fluorine make small radius as it surrounds with 7 electrons. But here we have which of the following ions have larger radius. You must concentrate on this kind of question. Will be number C, O negative 2. It has a large radius in the ions. Okay, let's going to question number 19. We have here which of the following information Berzelius might relied on his classification of elements. Okay, when Berzelius make his classification of elements, he depend on some of the properties of element when making classification for them, depending on it atomic number of element only, electronic configuration of element, degree of elasticity and heat conductivity, quantum number at the last electron in each element. Okay, what about this question? Which of the following information Berzelius relied on his classification of element? He depend on the elasticity and conductivity. Maybe conduct more or less conductor, and elasticity may be soft or hard or